Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, African Mwala, the only village content creator. It's really a good morning. I've just woken up, but then I have to shoot this video for you. So consider subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing my videos. Hit that notification bell for more interesting videos. So stay tuned. But then let me tell you, have you ever seen a utensil rack made in a traditional way? Just watch. If you want to see how a utensil rack is created, please watch this video. It will be grateful. It will be of good use to each and everyone who wants to make a utensil rack. A utensil rack here in the village, it's most common here in our village. It's very common. I want to build it so that we can at least hang these utensils so that they can get the sunlight. They always tell us, the doctors, that this sunlight is really good to the utensils to kill those small germs, to even the plates and cups. When you put something on, it's not easy having those germs. You know the use of the sun. A sun is of good use. So I decided to go and create this utensil rack so that we can get a good hint of that. Thank you. And watch. Over there is my outside kitchen. You know about that. You watched it in my videos. This is how it's looking. And then let's start right away to do this utensil rack. I really want you guys to see how it's done. Don't skip any part, please. Don't. So I'm going to be building and as well preparing the good breakfast. So this is milk, and I'm mixing with flour, with millet flour. That for me, I don't take milk. I don't take milk ever since when I am young. So I'm going to make my own porridge, millet flour without milk. The other cooking stones are for this, for milk with millet flour, as you see. the outcome. This is my porridge without milk, and it's ready. And this is the porridge of my other family with milk. So yeah, let's wait to serve as we are building. This is avocado. This is maize fried. This is cassava, fried cassava. Yeah. Now let's have breakfast as we are still working. So the utensil rack is done. As you're seeing, I'm washing utensils so that I can hang them. The sun is up there to dry up these utensils. I'm so happy. We are killing the germs out of these utensils. So we are done with building the traditional utensil rack. It is looking nice, I see. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified on the coming video. Thank you. Bye bye.